Wall Street had another dismal day yesterday. The Dow Jones Industrial average dropped 170 points, in part due to concerns about Syria. There are also signs of a new slowdown in the housing market. CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger is here. Jill, good morning.
Good morning.
Is this a fear factor here? What's going on, do you think?
Well, definitely a fear factor taking place in the last couple of sessions with Syria coming into light. But there are some trends that have been going on since markets reached all-time highs on August 2nd. First of all, we know people are worried that the Federal Reserve is going to change interest rate policy and bond buying coming up in some period of months. Maybe it's in September, maybe it's the end of the year. We also know that the debt ceiling debate is heating up again. Can you believe it? 2 years later, I can't stand it, but it's happening.
Yeah.
And we know that Treasury Secretary Jack Lew talked about this week. This rattled investors. Remember, last time we had a debt ceiling problem, markets were down 17% in the aftermath of that.
Right.
So very important here. All this leading up to September, the worst month of the year for trading. Stocks usually fall by about 0.5% since 1971 on average. Now we're down 4.5%. Seems like a bad move over the month. We're still up over 14%, so let's not go too crazy.
Yeah. And now there's also word that home price growth is also slowing down. How big of a deal is that, do you think?
Well, look, house prices have been rising at double digits over the last year. That's a big move and probably not sustainable. Big reasons here: mortgage rates up a full point since early May. And also, as the market improves, more people list their homes. Inventory increases. So yes, we've seen big price increases. That's going to slow down. Where we are in the housing market, think about this. We're down about 23% from the peak. We are up 15% or so from the bottom. So progress, but it's okay if it slows down.
And this cooling off actually might be better for the economy. You don't want housing to get ahead of itself.
That's true, and I agree. It's really not sustainable to have double-digit increases, and it's better overall if we have a more moderate pace of increase so more people can get into the market. We don't want one of those runaway markets to take hold again. That's not good for the economy.
No, it's not. All right, Jill Schlesinger, thanks so much.